Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, magluluto tayo ng masarap na ulam para sa ating dinner. Special masustansyang paksiw na fish. Maraming slice of tomato, sibuyas, maraming loya, at bawang. Mix lang natin ang ating mga ingredients guys. I-add natin ang ating big slice of fish. Maganda tayo ng vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Maglagay tayo ng counting water. Lagad tayo ng chicken cubes and magic sarap. Takpan guys at lutuin natin ito. Gawa tayo ng super yummy, very healthy smoothie. Hugasan natin ang ating beetroots, cucumber, carrots, banana, apple, avocado at yung ating mint leaves. Meron pa tayong dates guys. So ready natin ang ating malinis na blender. Napaka-healthy nito guys at ang sarap nito. I-add natin ang ating lemon mint, yung ating carrots, beetroot, superfoods. So yung ating dates, ang sarap ng ating dates guys. Cucumber, slice of banana, apple, at meron pa tayong assorted nuts, cashew nuts and pistachio nuts, avocado. Magad tayo ng ating powdered milk at water. Nagad pa tayo ng ating oats. Super healthy ang ating oats guys. Good for the heart. At i-blend lang natin ito guys. At sakto lang ang tamis nito guys. Dahil naglagay tayo ng ating banana at yung ating dates. Superfood smoothie. Almost ready na rin guys. Maluluto na rin ang ating special paksiw. Masarap. I-add natin ang ating slice of eggplant and sitaw. Malinis na yun guys. And meron pa tayong very healthy, yung green leafy vegetable na yan. I-add na rin natin. Healthy hot drinks, yung ating apple tea. Naglagay tayo ng seeds, yung tea seeds at fresh mint leaves. Masarap ito guys. Luto na rin ang ating fish. Ready to serve na ito at mag-ready tayo ng magandang lagayan. At meron pa tayong masarap na pritong fish. Almost ready na rin guys yung ating masarap na fish. Gumawa pa ako ng sausawan para sa ating side dish, para sa ating pritong fish. Slice of cucumber, onion, salt and pepper at konting vinegar. Kain tayo guys. Ready na ang ating food para sa ating dinner. Pritong fish, masarap na paksiw with fresh gulay, assorted fruits, at meron pa tayong pancit canton. Hot tea, healthy apple tea with fresh mint leaves. Kain tayo guys. Thank you for watching.